Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here three different compounds are given. Q is chlorobromotoluene and R is chlorofluorotoluene. Here you have to find which compound will give mass spectra values of M, M plus 2, M plus 4 values, which is 1 is 2 is 1. Here the answer lies in the abundance. If you know the bromine abundance, you might know the answer already. The bromine abundance is 1 is 1, which is 7981. We'll have 1 is 1. Here you have 2 bromine is there, so you have to calculate the possibilities of the combination. Here 79 if you consider as M, and M plus 2 will be 1 plus 1, which is 1 cross 1, which is 7981 configuration, which is 2. Then if you have 2 abundance in 81, so 1 is to 2 is to 1. So the relative intensity of those will be 1 is to 2 is to 1. So our answer is dibromide there. Here the concept you outline here is the abundance and the number of signals in the mass spectroscopy. The bromine abundance is 1 is to 1. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.